10 questions you should ask the guy you like. Here we have the perfect solution so you can talk to your crush. These are the 10 questions you should ask the guy you like. Women all have that little person who makes them feel butterflies in the stomach, but most of them do not dare to speak directly with him or just know his name. If you would like to start a relationship and learn more about your crush, then you should ask these questions so that you can start your love story, and in one of those, you may realize that the attraction is simply physical. Here we leave you the list of questions that you should ask the guy you like to get to know him even better and see if there is future in a relationship with him. 1. What do you do in your free time? 2. Do you like to spend your free time alone or accompanied? 3. Do you regret having done something? 4. Do you feel that someone has hurt you? 5. Have you ever had an imaginary friend? 6. Have you ever cried watching a movie? 7. Have you fallen in love with an older person? Like a teacher? 8. What do your friends call you? Do you have a nickname or they use your name? 9. Have you ever hated yourself for something you did because you wanted or did not want? 10. Have you ever fallen in love with an impossible love? These are questions formulated to really get to know a person on the first date. And they will help you to realize if your crush is what it seems or is simply handsome and in reality, he is not for you. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.